Hi there, new parents! Congratulations on reaching the 5-month mark with your little one. It's such an exciting time, filled with new discoveries and milestones. Today, I'm sharing essential tips to make the most out of your baby's 5th month. First things first, tummy time. Your baby's neck and shoulder muscles are growing stronger every day. Make tummy time a fun part of the daily routine by placing colorful toys just out of reach to encourage them to stretch and reach. It's not only great for muscle development, but also for honing their motor skills. Next up, sensory play. Babies at this age are fascinated by textures and sounds. Try creating a sensory bin with different fabrics, safe household items, and even water-safe toys. This helps stimulate their senses and can keep them entertained for a good while. Just make sure to always supervise closely. Now let's talk about communication. Your baby is starting to babble and might even imitate sounds you make. Engage in baby talk back and forth. This not only strengthens your bond but also aids in their language development. Don't be afraid to read books with bright pictures and varied textures. The more you talk and read to them, the better. Sleep. Ah, the elusive sleep. By now, your baby might be developing a more predictable sleep pattern. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine can make a world of difference. A warm bath, a soothing lullaby, and some cuddles can help signal to your baby that it's time to sleep. Remember, a well-rested baby is a happy baby. Feeding is another crucial aspect. If you're introducing solids, start with single-ingredient purees and watch for any allergic reactions. Always consult with your pediatrician before starting solids. Breast milk or formula should still be their primary source of nutrition. Finally, capture those precious moments. Babies grow incredibly fast, and every day brings something new. Take photos, jot down memories, and cherish these fleeting moments. You'll be amazed at how much they've changed when you look back. Remember, every baby is unique, so celebrate your baby's individual journey. Enjoy this beautiful phase and don't forget to take care of yourself too. Happy parenting. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more parenting advice. See you next time.